Let's now explore how to solve this problem from number 24. Gene made a paste of a stained glass art in the shape of two mountains. One mountain is 8 feet high, other 12, and we've also got these 45-degree angles. And we're basically asked to find, given that the area is 183 square feet, what is this height, h? So the first thing that would come to mind here for me, I'm sure there's different ways to go about this, is that this is almost two triangles. It's almost two triangles, but it's like a little bit less, right? Because some of the area from the two triangle is overlapped. So what if we find the area of this triangle? Well, you know what, let's just do it. What's the area of this triangle here? So the idea is 45, 45, 90 triangles, right? If that length is 8, then this length is also 8, right? Because like we can have 45, 45, and then 90, right? Something like that. So then we have 8 here. Let's use a different color. Maybe, or maybe if you want, you can just be like, okay, this is 8, this is 8, so this is 8 root 2. And then because there's another 45, 45, 90, this thing is also 8 root 2. So our area is just half base height, so 1/2 8 root 2, 8 root 2, and that's 1/2 of 128, 64. So that's the area of the blue triangle. Now let's find the area of the other triangle. Let's say it's the green triangle. Let's say it's the green triangle. And this is exactly pretty much the same exact process, nothing different, right? Because of the fact that this height is 12, right? Let's just draw that 12 here. This is 45. This is 45. This is also 12. This is 12 root 2. And then again by 45, 45, 90. This other green length is also 12 root 2. So half 12 root 2, 12 root 2. That's 144. So the area of the blue triangle is 64. Green one, 144. So in total, the sum of these areas of these triangles is 208. We're given the area of the artwork is 183. So the area of this region plus the area of this region is 208, but the area of just this entire region is 183. Notice that this inside triangle is being overcounted, right? Again, kind of using pi, if you remember from past videos. Pi, right? We used to add the areas, and then we subtract the area that's common to both triangles, right? Because it's overcounted. It's counted as part of the blue triangle and green triangle, when in reality it should only be counted once. So we get that this is equal to 183. So x, or the area of the small triangle, let's say has area 25. And keep in mind here is that the cool thing to keep in mind is that this small triangle is also 45, 45, 90. Right? Because this is 45, because, you know, this is 45, so this is 45. And then because this is 45, this is 45. And then therefore this is also 90. So we found that the area of the small triangle to be 25. Let's use the same technique of finding area in two ways. What's the area of the triangle in terms of h? Well, you know, if this is h, then this becomes h, just this part here. And then this becomes h root 2. So the area of the triangle is half times h root 2 times h root 2, right? The same exact thing we've been doing here, except now we have an unknown. And this is equal to 25. We multiply by 2, we get 2h squared is 50, or h squared is 25, or h is 5. So 5 is the answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video.